I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas.
Hello everyone, Uncle Charles Walhingford back again with another video. And as you've seen, or maybe you figured out from a previous video, I yet again am a customer of Habibi New York. And what just came in? My Reserve Rare Woods Elixir. So this is not the usual, this is, lack of a better term, the more expensive fragrances they have. And this is the Rare Woods Elixir. I went through and had a sampler. Then the sampler, I did the original sampler, the discovery set, and then I went ahead and did the reserve discovery set, and I chose this out of the top one. Also, I want to show you, they also included this free collagen lift face cream. So I'm gonna most likely give that away to somebody I know, probably my wife. And then on top of that, they also included this scented candle, this luxury home aroma. That's not French. I just want to show you guys what you can get once you make an order. I didn't do anything special to get these two things. And then also what comes with, when you get Habibi, you will also get a sample of the fragrance that you have just in case you don't like it, but it seems like I got more than that. I received, let's see. This is taking longer than I expected. Open it up. There we go. All right, so I got 3 samples in here. So first one is the Rare Woods Elixir. That should go with that. I've already, like I said, I've already sampled it, so I know what I'm getting. Then we have the Penthouse Suede, which was a real good one. I'll give that away, probably to my son. And, whoa, I have the Palace Grove and the Amber of the Sea. So essentially, I just got it all over again. I got the discovery set all over again. You know what? I like all 4 of these, and I'll be using all 4 of these most likely. I think I'll give one away to my son. So that's actually pretty cool. I ended up getting the reserve discovery set all over again. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the box here. And this box looks different from the other boxes. It's maybe a box inside of a box, most likely. Oh yeah, it's a box inside of a box. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Ta-da. Came off a little bit. I'll put it back. There we have it. Look, there's the presentation. Yeah, it looks nice. Like that? Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to do. Again, I've already done the review of it when I did the discovery set for the reserve. I explained how much I liked it. Maybe I'll get into it again on another video about all around about the Habibi New York. But that's pretty much it. Short video. Just want to let you know that's what I received and how it all went down. All right, I'll see you later. And don't forget, Charles Walhingford is here to help.